Your Excellency Minister Al-Sawaha, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, hello from Hong Kong. It gives me great pleasure to be here in Riyadh for this year's Leap Tech Conference, one of the world's leading technology gatherings. I'm here, let me add, with a high profile of Hong Kong delegation, and we look forward to talking to as many of you as possible today. This inspired and inspiring conference, together with its Into New Worlds theme, smartly reflects Saudi Arabia's rise as an innovation and technology-driven economy and society under Vision 2030. It speaks too of each and every one of you, technology innovators, investors, and policymakers from all over the world and from every sector, industry, and business fast changing our world. I'm honored to speak to you today about Hong Kong and our technology-powered vision for the future. Well, Hong Kong has been troubled for 3 years by COVID-19. We have already opened ourselves up to connect to the world, and just today, we resume normal travel with the mainland. Therefore, first, if you're wondering, you need wondering no more. Yes, Hong Kong is on stage again. Here on the main stage of the LEAP conference and on the center stage of the global arena, we're back in the business of creating business opportunity for you. We're also back to the business of pleasure, of welcoming travelers from all over the world. Just a few days ago, I launched Hello Hong Kong, a huge promotional campaign that, among many other things, will give away 500,000 free air tickets. Yes, that's 500,000 complimentary air tickets to welcome the world back to Hong Kong. And you need not wonder about restrictions either. There are none. Hong Kong is now wide open for tourists as well as businesses. We are also inviting prominent individuals from all over the world, from business, politics, the media, entertainment, and other sectors, to come to Hong Kong to see firsthand all that you have been missing these last 3 years because of the pandemic. One of the world's great global cities for business and for investment, for culture and entertainment, and for much more. The flourishing future of Hong Kong is being built on one country, two systems. Implemented since our return to the motherland in 1997, the unique principle of one country, two systems has all along ensured that Hong Kong enjoys the country's steadfast support while staying highly and openly connected with the rest of the world. This unparalleled advantage is buttressed by our robust rule of law and intellectual property rights protection, and fully supported by our country's national strategies. Also supported by our country is Hong Kong's active participation in the Belt and Road Initiative, a grand plan launched by President Xi Jinping in 2013 to promote regional and international collaboration. Hong Kong is a critical gateway for the Belt and Road Initiative and has plenty to offer the over 180 countries and international organizations covered by the initiative, including the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and other Middle East countries. Hong Kong, a major international financial center, being part of China and the world's largest offshore renminbi business hub, provides capital for Belt and Road countries, economies, companies, and projects. Alongside capital, we also serve as a bridge enabling the flow of talent and knowledge between the mainland and the world at large. Capitalizing on our solid foundation and superb connectivity, Hong Kong is on the fast track to becoming an international innovation and technology hub. Hong Kong is now home to 5 of the world's top 100 universities. Mind you, Hong Kong is only a city of 1.1 thousand square kilometers. The number of startups in Hong Kong has soared from about 1,000 in 2014 to some 4,000 last year. Over that same period, we have raised 10 unicorns. Hong Kong was ranked second overall in the 2022 World Digital Competitiveness Rankings Technology Factor. It helps too that Hong Kong is among the world's substantial funding financial centers, channeling substantial I&T funding. Venture capital investment in Hong Kong surged from 154 million US dollars in 2014 to 5.3 billion US dollars in 2021. Hong Kong is also the world's leading fundraising hub for biotechnology companies. Just 2 months ago, we launched the Hong Kong Innovation and Technology Development Blueprint. Over the next few minutes, allow me to touch on a few of the blueprint's far-reaching themes. We are accelerating the transformation and realization of research and development outcomes. We are also working to achieve new industrialization for Hong Kong. That means increasing I&T land supply and upgrading supporting infrastructure. In recent years, we have set up a number of innovation and technology venture funds, significantly broadening fundraising channels for startups. We will continue to diversify venture financing conduits, optimizing, for example, Hong Kong's existing listing regime and attracting additional resources of capital investment. The Hong Kong SAR government recently set up a strategic tech fund worth about 637 million US dollars. It is supporting Hong Kong tech companies while attracting foreign startups. Alongside capital, talent drives innovation and technology. To that end, we have recently established the Office for Attracting Strategic Enterprises. In particular, we are targeting companies and individuals from such fields as life and health technology, artificial intelligence and data science, financial technology, advanced manufacturing, and new energy technology. My goal is to attract at least 100 I&T enterprises or representatives to set up or expand their business in Hong Kong over the next 5 years, and in doing so, bringing in more than 1.2 billion US dollars of investment. The Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area is central to our I&T vision. The Greater Bay Area is a cluster city development integrating 9 cities in southern China together with Macau and Hong Kong. It is destined to rise as a world-class technology and innovation hub. With a population of some 86 million and a combined GDP of about 1.7 trillion US dollars, equivalent to the world's 9th largest economy, the Greater Bay Area presents immense potential for investment and development. Hong Kong will play a pivotal role in realizing these ambitions. The 1.2 million square meter Hong Kong-Shenzhen Innovation and Technology Park, now under development, will become Hong Kong's largest I&T center. No less critical, it will serve as the bridgehead for I&T cooperation between Hong Kong and Shenzhen, serving as a hub of global technological innovation and important source of emerging industries. We welcome I&T companies from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and throughout the Middle East and North American region to set up a presence in Hong Kong to join us in building an international I&T hub in Asia. Indeed, Hong Kong has developed a number of initiatives to promote global I&T cooperation. They include the establishment of our Inno-Hong Kong research clusters focused on healthcare and artificial intelligence and robotics. Today, the 2 clusters, the Hong Kong Science Park, have established 28 research laboratories, bringing together more than 30 prominent universities and research institutions from 11 economies. They are collaborating with Hong Kong universities and research organizations on world-class research. We are also planning to establish an InnoLife Health Tech Hub in the Hong Kong Shenzhen Innovation and Technology Park. It will pool the formidable research strengths and resources of laboratories in Hong Kong, Shenzhen, and beyond. From challenges to solutions, cooperation to commercialization, small to substantial, Hong Kong works with our motherland and global partners to harness the power of innovation and technology. Working together, I'm confident we can create a sustainable and prosperous future for us all. I'm grateful to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia's Ministry of Communications and Information Technology for giving me this invaluable opportunity to speak to you today. I wish you all a rewarding conference and all the best of business, health, and innovation in this promising year of the rabbit. Ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to seeing you all in Hong Kong and to saying hello to you in Hong Kong soon. Thank you. Thank you very much.